Okay, here I am in more South Amherst at Hickory Ridge. Used to be a golf course. Used to be the clubhouse, I guess, and now abandoned or not used anymore. And I think they've put trails like walking trails and such out in the. You can't even tell it was a golf course. Huh? Check this out. I'll go up here. What the hell? Hmm. Hope it's safe up here. Looks like, oh, they had like big fireplaces here. A big chimney. Okay. And you're looking out over what was the golf course. You can see the old, it's not a sidewalk, it's the old probably golf cart roads or paths. You can kind of see the outline of the golf course still, but it's pretty much overgrown. You see a sand trap over there. So yeah, that's there it goes. I'm gonna go over there, to that bridge, little bridge over there, and take a little walk. Let's go around the back here. Hope you can hear me all right. And let's go into the back of the building. Yeah, all boarded up, broken glass. Men's locker right there. Just curious. Almost looks like you could. Nope. Let's go down here. Yep, Hickory Ridge Golf Club. Guides for dress. And well, woman's locker. Old bike left there. I think it's where they used to leave their club bags, whatever. Okay. And up back that way. I'll go over here and end this video, and I'm gonna take a walk out here a little bit. It's a nice day, kind of in between errands. So I figure I don't want to miss all the nice day because I have to do errands. Okay. And there's I'm gonna say a more complete look, but of the building from behind. Yep. All right. I will head out here and do a little walking. Okay. Have a good one.